Alright, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is we did a bathroom remodel. So this is gonna be a before and after video of this entire bathroom we did. So I don't have any clips of when I did the work, but I do have a before and after. Right, so check out this clip here. This is how it looks before we start working on it with the layout and everything, with the bathtub and the shower and the sink and the toilet and the tile and stuff. So here's that clip. Check it out when you get back. I'm going to show you the end result. Alright. Alright, so we started demoing this bathroom here. I'm going to give you guys a quick look. So you see the before, now you're going to see what we're doing. See the tub. This is the shower. Right here. Alright, so that's how it looked before. It had a tub, a build-up tub with a shower and everything, with the toilet and the tile and stuff, right? So we did a complete renovation on the entire bathroom, so I'm going to show you here now. So this is the tub area here. This is a new tub. We have here is a standing tub, right, with the drain in the middle. Got some new towel racks. Got a new faucet coming from the floor that was installed, that was brand new. Alright, and this is new tile around this section here, 12 by 24. This is going into the shower now. There's new tiles on the shower. Right, with a new shower body with the rain shower. So this is the shower here, a rain shower. You see right there. There's a shower niche in that corner right there. And this is the curbless shower. And the tile, hexagon tile in the middle there. Alright. And then this is new granite here. And new mirrors and lights. Alright, and then the floor tile, 12 by 24. So this is the toilet area here. New tiles on the wall, on the floor, with the plastic edging going all the way around. This is the entranceway here. So that's the bathroom there, complete renovation. It looks completely different. And the customer gonna put in a glass door with a piece of glass like this and then a glass door. Alright. Bathroom is complete. So once again, please remember, if you do like the video, like and subscribe to the channel to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.